My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I missed you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you.
Hi everybody, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Making this video was probably one of my best videos ever that I had the most fun in doing. I did like a patio makeover and I love it, and I really hope that you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to hit subscribe on this channel and like and follow me if you guys are interested in more videos like this or anything really mommy life related. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Okay, so this is a fire pit that I purchased from Target, and I really love this chevron print on the side. I think it looks really nice and classic. I don't know what else there is to a fire pit, but I really like this one. It does come with a screen topper, and I did buy a cover for it because I heard that these can rust really easily if water gets into it. So make sure if you guys get one that you do get a cover. And then here is where I'm showing you guys this really cool little I think they're called misters, and I ended up putting these on the side of the house, but here I'm just kind of showing you how I was testing it to make sure that it did work, because some people use like a compressor or something in addition to just plugging it into your fire or your water hose, but I just plugged it into my water hose and it works perfectly. So I really love having these outside on a hot day. Okay, so here I am using Scotchgard Water Shield to waterproof these pillowcases because I could not find the striped blue and white waterproof cases. So I did order these on Amazon, and I'm just basically waterproofing them myself. And then here I'm just hosing down the rug because this is an outdoor rug, so it's like made of this recycled plastic, which I love because it's so easy to clean. So I purchased these white cushions from Target. They are actually the color linen. They're not even white. I really wanted white, but this is all I could find. And it's basically like an off-white, and I don't mind it. I actually think it looks really nice. Even in comparison to the pillows, you can't really tell too much unless you're like staring really hard at it, but I really liked the way that it looked, and I got them while they were on discount at Target, so hopefully around this time you guys should be able to get a good deal on that. But here you'll see me just trying to fit the pillows in there the best way that I think that they fit, and just kind of arranging everything.
What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants, and it's midnight, oh I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out.
Okay, so this is really funny because on this day my husband was working all day, and so the packages came in for the umbrella set, and I was so excited. I just could not wait. I'm just that type of person that I can't wait for anything, so if I can do it myself I will. And I was able to set up this whole umbrella myself and just filled the base with water, and then I thought the umbrella part would be too heavy, but turns out it was not, and I was able to put it up myself and surprise my hubby when he came home that day.
And would he understand if I told him about him.
So I'm really liking how this patio makeover has turned out so far. I love the colors and the contrast with the whites and the blues, and I hope you guys find it helpful as well if you guys are looking into doing a similar type of makeover with your patio as well. Most of the items I got came from Amazon, so I'll try and link most everything in my Amazon store down below if you guys are interested. And let me know down below if you guys like this type of summer vibe or if you guys prefer maybe something more subtle. Also, I do have some more additions in case you guys are interested, so make sure you guys stay tuned.
Wasn't I meant to lie?
Okay guys, before it starts to get dark, I wanted to show you guys like one of the other like nice, or I was gonna say one of the best parts, but I think the best parts is really the lights, which I don't have on right now. Let me turn them on for you guys. So I think one of the best parts is the solar lights in the umbrella, but like second best is this. So we put the little sprayers, the misters in, and they're just these little, I don't know if you can see them behind. So the lights are the first cord, but the second one is the little misters. And let me see if I can show you guys, or I can insert a clip of it too. But that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna turn them on for you guys. So I had to put like, okay, I know this looks like craziness, but I swear it works. Okay. Isn't that super cool? So, you know when you go to the zoo and it's so hot and they have the misters on? Well, that's what these are. These are misters and they're so nice. Well, they supposedly cool the backyard down by like 15 to 20 degrees, and they feel so nice, especially like if it's such a humid and hot day. You will definitely enjoy these. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the area with the lights off. So I have the solar lights on and the sun is down, but it's still kind of bright around that top corner there. It's about 8:20 or so, but these are the lights I got on Amazon and I love them. They're warm, and so they're not super bright LED lights. This is what it's looking like right now, and I'll probably come back and show you guys a clip when it's even darker, that way you guys can see. Okay, so here is a little bit better view at night, and I still have my candle. That's a real candle, that's a fake candle in here. And these are solar powered tiki torches. I forgot to show these earlier, but I have 3 of them and I have one more over here. And I bought these on Amazon. So these are really cool. I get a lot of comments on these, and they're completely solar. They literally just came on the last 5 minutes or so. And then my hubby there's my hubby. He brought some food, so we're about to sit out here and enjoy this nice patio makeover. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.